Our company has experienced strong growth over the past several years. We started originally with 1 location and now we have 30. That means that we had to expand our production. We relocated and now we have expanded our production yet again. For our new facilities, we wanted new oven technology. We took a lot into consideration before choosing the oven technology we would use. We looked carefully at the different manufacturers and finally decided on the MIWE company, and for good reason. The deciding factor for us was the customer service, which we found to be outstanding at MIWE. It truly impressed us. Here we have a complete bakery concept, including deck ovens, rack ovens, energy recovery, proofing chambers, and refrigeration systems. In this energy-efficient concept, the waste heat from the rack ovens and deck ovens is recovered via the MIWE GVA Nova. The energy generated is then fed back into the climate chambers, fully automatic proofing units, and crate washing system. That conserves resources and is easier on the pocketbook. Energy efficiency is of course important, but it's what comes out of the oven in the end that matters most. And that is what impressed us with MIWE. The products aren't different from the ones we had before, they're just better. And they even look better too. We now have a very nice crispy bloom and beautiful crusts. Our breads really shine again. The energy savings from using the MIWE ovens are also very good. We now need a lot less steam in the ovens than we did before to get the quality we want. The loading system turns our crusty bread automatically, so we no longer have to turn it by hand. The oven section takes care of that now. It all works automatically. We just have to position the bread and score it like we are used to doing. It makes things a lot easier for the entire company. Our most important product is our stone-baked bread. Personally, I expect stone-baked bread to have a really light crumb and a gorgeous, crisp crust. That was what MIWE promised, and that was exactly what we got already from the first baking trials. It was just fantastic.